Hey baby girls, hey everybody, welcome back to this channel. Today I am going to be cleaning my room because it's a real mess. Like I don't think I have a good organization system right now that is working for me, because when I'm running late it's a mess. So my room is a mess. I've done laundry and it's a lot of clothes piled up, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I am going to be cleaning my room, and so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And so come with me. Oh, and guys, I do my braids. I think I should link the TikTok video that I just did and like, girl, look at this. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
Okay, so right now, as you can see, there is a lot of things on the floor right now, and I had started cleaning a bit, so and I said, okay, let me just shoot this video. But yep, I am going to be hanging this is a bit organized. I'm going to put these boxes up. Okay.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it up.
My closet for now is good, because this, like, I have not folded my clothes. There will be more things to go in here, but for now the only thing left for the closet is to sweep. And right now I'm just going to separate my makeup, because I've been going to my friends' birthdays and I had to carry my makeup with me, because you gotta help, okay? And after that, you gotta look cute, all right?
I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
So guys, it's time to finally fold the clothes, and I think I'm just gonna wait for the clothes that are in the laundry. I'm just gonna wait for some time, and then I'm just gonna collect the things that need to be folded and just put them away, because if I don't put them away, I'm not gonna see a lot of stuff. I can't see some of the stuff, and that's why you need to be organized so that you don't lose your stuff, okay? All right.
You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. And not me to give you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So days. No one wants you the same way. Up till the morning, my mind put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all.
Guys, this is the best way to actually hang your jeans, and I'm able to hang like two pants, two trousers, whatever on a hanger, and it's going to be looking so clean that you won't see the other jean, and it's going to be like, oh my god, why go to a hotel? Why pay money for the hotel when you can make your room a hotel? My god, I don't even know. And so I fold it into two. This is, guys, this is my favorite pants ever. They are so comfortable, and somebody gave them to me, and this is the best thing ever. Like, they've been making me look like a body or something. And then what I'm gonna do, if I put it inside, this is how it's going to look. And yeah, guys, you can see how organized this is. You see this is what you call creativity, guys. This is it. And yeah, so I'm going to do this over and over again until all my trousers are folded and hung. I already have space on some of the trousers, so this is what I'm gonna fill out. We have arrived at my favorite part, and that's making my bed. And then we're going to do the final touches, and then we're done with cleaning my room. And this has taken approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. And so today I think I want to lay my bed with the white bed sheets and everything white. And if I just want to spice it up, I'm gonna put on a throw blanket that's like red or something like that. So let's get right to it.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Yep, after making my bed, I'm just going to clean up the sitting place, and that's just gonna be it for today. Okay guys, so we are finally done. This necklace, there's no one to be here. Okay, so guys, we are finally done with making the room clean and nice. Oh, forgot something. I always use this Febreze fabric for my bed to smell like, I like a soapy feel in my room, so that's why I always use this. And then for my I use Airwick for my room to smell good. This smells like a chocolate scent. Somebody entered in my room and it was like, now I know why you love, like, you really don't be loving smelling good and everything might smell good. And so this is something that I use Airwick. I think it's done, so I'm gonna have to first refill it. And so yeah guys, the final reveal is finally here. This is how my closet turned out.
I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like.
And then my study area. That is my sleeping pajamas. And for my bed, this is how it turned out, guys. This is so cute. And yep, that's basically it for my room. That's my bed on one side. And so yeah. So guys, I promised you that by the end of this video, if you have stayed out, you're going to see my outfit of the day. This is my bag. This is so cute. I got it at Ardeen and it was like around $10. Can you believe that big bag as cute as this is $10? I can't believe it too. So my scent of the day is going to be Al Haramain Amberwood Gold Edition. And guys, this thing smells, ooh, smells so good. Guys, I shower in perfume. That's how you smell good all day. That's a tip for the people who have sticked out by the end of this video. And so yeah, and this is my outfit. Cute girly with my bag to school. And so yeah, I'm about to catch the bus. Bye bye. Please share and like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Up.